Hello friends! Those who know me know I love my red lipsticks. So today I'm sharing my everyday red makeup look with all my lovely friends. It's winter in Melbourne right now, so my skin feels quite dry. So I'm starting off by applying hyaluronic acid and moisturizer to my skin. I'm using my favorite foundation, the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. I love the finish, it looks so natural, but it also has really good coverage as well. I generally like to use more neutral colors on the eyes when I want to wear a red lip. So here I'm just using a dark brown eyeshadow and I'm placing it on my outer V and blending inwards, making sure not to go above the crease. The first blush I'm using is from & Other Stories. I generally like to apply my blush using a C-shaped sweeping motion from the top of the temples to the cheekbones, just because it flatters my face shape and softens the angles of my face. The second shade is an apple red blush and I'm going to subtly, emphasis on subtly, apply this more to the apples of my cheeks. These two blushes I just used are so nice. I highly recommend everyone go purchase one for themselves. So I've had this lipstick forever and I still love it so much. It's 3CE's Red Velvet Lip Tint in Taupe and I'm applying it all over the lips and just cleaning it up here. Then using a Chilli red lipstick, I'm going to place this more towards the center of my lips. And that's it.